Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are playing Gacha Club. I love playing it, and today I will be showing you how to make Nezuko-chan from Demon Slayer. I watched it, I watched season 1, I love it. Hopefully they make season 2. If they have, I haven't seen it, so let's get into the video. And here it is, and if you're a gacha tuber, please don't copy my design. Well, I guess we'll be doing that. Yeah. Well, anyways, I'll be showing you how to make Nezuko-chan. So first, let's just get a new character. Yeah, I have tons of characters I made, and if you want me to see a new one, make a new character and a tutorial on how to make ones, well then just comment below. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you want more of these videos. I know we haven't posted a lot, so yeah. So first, if you want to make the Nezuko that I made, go over here. Here she is. So if you want to make her, then just continue watching all the way to the end. So first, let's get this hair over here. Keep going till you find it. Here. Do you think of? So let's continue. Also, I play on mobile, so yeah. I just wanted to check, because, yeah, I didn't really know which one it was, but that is okay. Here it is. So after that, let's go over here, go all the way to the end. I picked this one. Back hair, well, since her hair is curly and the tip is black, I choose this hair, but as you can see, it's really big, so let's just do that. Actually, her hair is really long, so you can really make her hair as long as you want or as big. It's your choice. So we're gonna do the coloring after. So then, okay, go all the way over here. I picked this eyes. I love these eyes, so yes. No. For the eyebrows, let's do this. I just gave her a smile. You can't really see it, but yeah. She is looking cute already. Anyways, let's move on with the shirt. Here. This is the shirt. So yeah. And now for the sleeves. It is really silent here, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so now you can really use whatever sleeves you want. I think I use these sleeves. Now let's go to pants. Let's just put some shorts on her. Go to skirt or belt. Now put this. after you pick this, take off the socks. And when you go to the shoes, I thought this was a great idea for shoes. You go over here. Like I said, we're going to do the coloring later, so... Or right now, because I think we are almost done our nezoko. So, now, let's go back to our nezoko. See how it looks? And now, we are going to go here. Let's go to top. And let's get a band-aid. Just a simple band-aid. Let's just move it right here. We make it big enough to cover her nose. A bit bigger. As big as it can be. There we go. Now let's make it green. I think this color is a perfect color. Like that. So, yeah. Now let's get to the coloring. So with the hair, I was struggling a bit. Just turn out all black first. So I was kind of struggling a bit with this. But then I learned how to do it. I think that's color the same. So, yep. Now, what you're gonna do is like the top's also orange or whatever color you want it to be. So we're just gonna color it like that. Like I wondered how they did that, and now I know. Or you can just do that. I actually never noticed that. Okay, doesn't that look good? Because I think it does. I love her hair. I also forgot to put in her little headband like over here. So, let's put that in. As you can see, when we go all the way over here, I didn't put it on her. So, we will put it on this nezoko in process. So, yeah. Well, we can only use this color pink for, you know. And I use this color for, like, the lines over there. Well, we're going to go over here and remove this. Now, let's just do the same color for over here. For the sleeves. And now, for the skirt. Beautiful. I love it. Do you guys like it? Now, the thing with the shoes. You can't really see her shoes right now. But look at her shoes. Let's just paint it like this color. Then you go over here. Pick whatever color you want. I'm obviously going to pick pink. So, now let's just put her in a random pose where you can see her feet. So, yeah. If you can see her feet, there. Look, you can see her feet or her shoes. I think that idea was so cute. I love it. And if no gacha tubers or people who use the gacha club or play it, basically, have never and made nezoko, and they have never used the shoes, I guess I'm the first, because I've seen their shoes before, and yeah. And I know they look like that. I was looking for the perfect shoes, but I couldn't find one. But then I came across those shoes. So yeah, and let's put on her little clip thingy. And of course, here. They usually always use this. And I'm gonna use it too. Let's make it a bit smaller. There we go. I think that's good enough. Nice, right? Okay, now let's color it. Over here. It looks beautiful. And since I forgot to add it to the other one, we're gonna do that later. I almost forgot to do her eye, but they're this beautiful pink color. Her pupils, of course, are going to be black. So, what do you guys think? Because I think this looks beautiful. Also, don't forget about the eyebrows. So, I really like this one. Tell me how yours looks in the comments below. But now, let's just get a perfect background. Does it happen with you guys? You can never find the perfect background. Every time you're looking for a certain background, you can never find it. I literally can't find this background. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Does this happen to you guys? Because I cannot find the background. So, yeah. I'm still looking. Okay, now this is getting awkward. Why? Let's just use this background. It's not really the background I was looking for, but let's do it. Okay, now here's the finishing product. And if you liked it, you comment below. And if you want more tutorials, I can give you some on how to make certain anime characters, or maybe Tanjiro. Maybe I'll do him next too. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment below, and tell me how you like this, because I love it. So yeah, bye guys.